Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly fix your Chromecast remote. So if you are having issues with it, just simply remove the batteries, and it says remove them for about 10 seconds, and then place them back into your remote. So once you place them back into the remote, you can simply just hold down the home button, or the middle dial button right here, the OK button, and just hold this down for about 10 seconds. And then that should reset your remote. Now you can reconnect it and repair it to the device easily. You could try just holding down the back button and the home button, see if that works. So just these two buttons right here, and this little light is going to flash at the bottom, indicating it's trying to connect back up to the device. Now you could also go to the Chromecast and press the little button on it, and if you do that, it's going to open up searching for accessories. And when you're under this screen, it should be easy to reconnect back up to your Chromecast by pressing the back button and the home button. So you can just press it under this screen and it should reconnect. So you can just remove your remote, then reconnect it, and then you should be good to go. So quick little video. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.